Fire alarm announcing a working fire in Windham, 13 Rockingham Road. Bring a Salem engine, a Salem ladder, Londonderry tanker, Hudson ambulance to the scene, and station covered. Dairy fire alarm announcing a working fire in Windham, 13 Rockingham Road. Salem engine, Salem ladder, Londonderry tanker, and Hudson ambulance to the scene. Attention, Windham Fire Station coverage personnel. Respond to your station's coverage is needed. Time to recall 1305.
Engine 1's on scene.
Engine 1 on scene.
Fire alarm. Anything more? We're going to go with the under control. We're going to be releasing both Hale and companies.